Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the best wood lathe in the market for this year. We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end, and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. Powermatic 1352001 Model 3520B. This product possesses the majority of the features like other lathe machines. It is equipped with a 2 HP, 220 volt, 6.2 amp powerful motor with variable speed, which is displayed on its digital readout. It is a very versatile machine that features a 20-inch swing and a 34 1/2 inches between the centers. This enhances you to work on various sizes of workpieces. With this machine, you have advanced technology and a standard machine at your disposal that can handle those important projects. Win3420T. Work is smooth when you work on a machine that provides the right speed and workspace. This lathe machine features a 2 amp motor that rotates around 750 RPM to 3200 RPM and has a workspace in terms of a 5-inch faceplate and up to 12 inches between the centers, which allow you to work on projects that are as long as 12 inches. It also has the tool rest that can easily be adjusted by a clamp, providing support for your tools during operation. Shopfox W1758 Wood Lathe. This brand has so much specialized in building machines for longevity, and this feature is also seen in this product. It is built with cast iron, which definitely makes it more rugged and durable. It is one of the best lathes, featuring a 2 HP, 10 speeds, a revolving head for outboard turning, the spindle speed meter for accurate reading, and a ground bed entirely made of cast iron. It also has a tool rest extension for outboard turning.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.